Yes, DJs should be concerned about the potential impact of AI on their profession. AI has the potential to automate many of the tasks DJs currently perform, such as mixing songs, selecting music, and creating custom playlists. This could lead to a decrease in the demand for DJs as AI technology becomes more sophisticated. AI algorithms can be used to create and mix music in much the same way a DJ does. AI-driven music creation and mixing can be done via software, hardware, or a combination of both. AI can be used to detect musical patterns, identify and select songs, and analyze and adjust the tempo, harmony, and other musical elements. AI can even be used to create original music from scratch. AI-driven DJing can also be used to increase audience engagement, allowing for more interactive experiences through crowdsourcing and automated music selection. Stay up to date on the latest technology and trends. Invest in AI-friendly software, use your creativity, build a personal brand, leverage your network. Utilize AI-powered music recommendation tools to discover new music. Use AI-powered mixing tools to create seamless transitions between songs. Monitor the crowd's reactions and adjust the setlist accordingly using AI-powered analytics tools. Utilize AI-powered audio processing tools to enhance the sound of your sets. Mix in Key 8. Serato DJ Pro, Recordbox DJ, Algorithm DJ Pro, Tractor Pro 3, Virtual DJ 8. No, AI cannot replace a DJ physically. A DJ is a skilled artist who is able to read a crowd, mix music to create a unique atmosphere, and make real-time decisions during a performance. AI technology is still not advanced enough to replicate the experience of a live DJ. I understand. I will try my best not to take over your job.